चलो ठीक है. So happy Janmashtami to all of you. How many of you are celebrating Janmashtami? कहाँ कहाँ हो रहा है? सोनू, भावना, अंजलि. Anjali, I got your message. You are not like your PDFs are not highlighted. See, the problem is in your internet. You download it, you will get the highlights. वो इंटरनेट जब स्लो होता है ना तो दिखाता नहीं है कि हाईलाइटेड है. तो डोंट वरी, द लिंक इज सेम फॉर एवरीवन. तनु, हरजोत, संतोष, रिंकी, अंजनी आई थिंक इज न्यू टू द क्लास. आर्यन, गणेश, हरमनदीप, रोहन, उजिता, सुचिता, अर्चना, नाम, साइफोन, वीरभद्र, जैनब, रोहित एंड ऋषि. You people are not in today. Those who are regular. Aryan, I am good. Fine. Thank you for asking. बताओ क्या करना है? Any doubts? Those who have covered or those who are watching any previous lectures, पहले के भी किसी क्लास में कोई डाउट हुआ किसी को? तो sir, what about physical Indian geography part? फिजिकल इंडियन ज्योग्राफी हमने कवर नहीं किया है क्या? About rivers and all, whatever was there, I think I have touched upon those topics which can be done. For geography, can you provide previous year questions? चलो कुछ क्विज करते हैं. Let me find some questions. Where will I get the questions? Okay, let me try. एक मिनट रुक जाओ. Let me find the test paper. Solution test. Hmm. Let's do these questions. देखें कितना पढ़ा है तुम लोगों ने. क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 बताओ. All of you have read plate tectonics. So it's saying only one. Okay. Harjot is saying B. ठीक है. संतोष, भावना, वीरभद्रा, जैनब, सुचिता, राकेश, वीरभद्रा is saying C. अरे जैनब is B. Okay, let's start with statement 3. Is it right? This is in class 11th, Rakesh. You have completed till class 11th, so this is in class 11th only. Or you have covered only class number 11 from our videos. A divergent boundary मतलब two boundaries are moving away from each other. Crust gets destroyed. ऐसा होता है क्या? At divergent boundaries, crust does not get destroyed. At divergent boundaries, crust is created. Divergent boundary पे क्या होता है? मिड ओशियनिक रिज बनता है ना. यहाँ पे मॉल्टन लावा आएगा और सॉलिडिफाई होगा. याद आ रहा है मिड ओशियनिक रिज इन द अटलांटिक. So at divergent boundaries are moving apart from each other. That means it's getting separated. There is no sinking. Sinking कब होगा? Sinking will happen when two boundaries are coming together. One will bend and go down. याद आ रहा है? Sinking will happen when two boundaries will collide with each other and one boundary will go down. So third statement is wrong. So sorry, the third statement is wrong. Once third is wrong, first is the answer. So congrats to Tuku for getting it right in the very first attempt. But उसके बाद all of you started following the trend. Everybody saying B, तो चलो B बोल देते हैं, क्या ही जाता है. B बोलो. See, when you will go to give the exam also, no, this happens. When you will go to give the exam, you will find that the person sitting in front of you or beside you will look very serious, and he will doing all the questions with utmost attention, will attempt a lot of questions. If you talk to him before the exam and say, oh, I have done my coaching from here and prelims is nothing, I am going to crack it anyhow, don't bother about it. अरे prelims तो मैंने कुछ है नहीं. So by seeing him you will get a lot of confidence कि ये जो कर रहा होगा तो ठीक ही कर रहा होगा. So in between the exam you will try to look on his paper, क्या किया है. Is, oh, he has done it B. So even when you know the right answer, the answer should be A, you will look at his copy. Oh, B क्या है. बाजीराम से पढ़ के आया है. Must be good. I'm wrong. And you will अपना लुटिया डुबा लोगे वहीं पे. So don't do this. Be an independent thinker. Think. I have not taught you to be the trend follower. If you have been listening to the discussions after the class or before the class, I don't want my students to become a trend follower. यही कर रहे हैं तो हम यही करेंगे. Have the courage to find your own way. बहुत खराब. Question number 13. So let's talk about this formation of trenches. Which is the deepest trench in the world? Deepest trench कहाँ है? Mariana Trench. Where it is? Pacific. Which kind of boundary? कौन सा boundary है? Divergent, convergent, transformative. Which kind of boundary it is? Which kind of boundary it is? कुछ नहीं सीखे तुम कब. Trenches will fall at convergent boundaries. याद आ रहा है? I've illustrated this so like in so detail during the classes. The example of a scale which is trying to push, and it will break and will go down, and then it will create a deep hole. Hmm? So it's the convergent boundaries which will lead to the creation of trenches. हाँ, it will at divergent boundaries. अभी हमने एग्जांपल देखा, डाइवर्जेंट में तो ये बहुत डेप्थ में नहीं जाएगा because lava is coming up, so it will not be very deep. All the trenches are found in the Pacific where there is a land or continent and ocean convergence. To eliminate the two, you will eliminate the two, all these three options will get eliminated. The only option which is left is three, or sorry, fourth, one and three. So this is your answer. पढ़ नहीं रहे हो तुम लोग? हम्म. Next, we will be starting history. You have a break of a week. In this week, try to finish the geography, whatever is left. Practice previous year questions. See how many you can solve. Read the books. Okay? Read NCRTs and some more questions. बनाओ 14th number बताओ. So next, your next target is from Monday onwards. Not this Monday. Next week's Monday we will start history. Before that, on next Saturday, not next, matlab not coming Saturday. On 27th, we will meet. 27th and 28th we will meet, and I will tell you about history. कैसे पढ़ना है, क्या sources हो सकते हैं, वगैरह वगैरह. Till the time you cover it. Question number 14 करो. फिर तुम लोग ट्रेंड फॉलोअर का काम करने लगे। पेलियोमैग्नेटिज्म याद आ रहा है किसी को? पेलियोमैग्नेटिज्म, ट्रेंच, सॉरी, मिड ओशनिक रिज के दोनों तरफ क्या मिलता था? सेम टाइप का मैग्नेट मिलता था, सेम टाइप का रॉक मिलता है जिनका मैग्नेटिक प्रॉपर्टी सेम होता है। एक्सप्लेन किया था मैंने, याद आ रहा है कुछ? The rocks formed in the same period will have same magnetic property, जिसको पेलियोमैग्नेटिज्म बोलते हैं. So it also gives the evidence of reversal of the magnetic field of the earth. After certain time we see कि north and south pole था, फिर वो south और north pole हो गया. So this reverse, this is also found. This is true. रीजन से बनेगा, ट्रेंचेस पे डिस्ट्रॉय हो. It's a very pathetic performance. आई थिंक आई शुड टेक लाइव क्लासेस. रिकॉर्डिंग से काम नहीं चल रहा है. क्या लगता है, लाइव करना पड़ेगा क्या? व्हाट इज बेटर, लाइव और रिकॉर्डिंग्स? लाइव, रिकॉर्डिंग्स. इट्स अ टाई. लाइव में मैं ऐसा पूछता रहता हूँ ना क्वेश्चंस, कितने को समझ में आया नहीं आया. रिकॉर्डिंग्स में तो पता नहीं तुम लोग क्या ही कर रहे हो, देख भी रहे हो या सो जा रहे हो रिकॉर्डिंग देखते देखते. चलो ठीक है, वॉच द रिकॉर्डिंग्स अगेन, solve some questions. When you will solve the questions you will get clarity. This is, don't worry, like ऐसा टेंशन नहीं लेना है कि अरे क्या हुआ, पढ़े तो कोई फायदा नहीं हुआ. I've understood a lot of things. Now go and solve the questions. देखो, understanding something and solving the questions is two different things. I've told this many times. Until unless you solve the question you will not understand how to solve the questions. हरमनदीप की अभी क्लासेस रहती हैं इसलिए सॉल्व नहीं हो रहा. नहीं समझा मैं, हरमनदीप क्या कहना चाहती हो आप? You have classes somewhere else or what? चलो ठीक है, let's end it here. We'll meet when? We'll meet now on Sunday. And mnemonics of what? Mnemonics of his name is Kaur. So Kaur does not stand for he. He's a C. Political class when we have done this discussion to why people have to do that. Anyway, So we will meet on Sunday. We will have some classes around न्यूज़पेपर रीडिंग. ठीक है, संडे को क्लास करते हैं, न्यूज़पेपर रीडिंग पे एक क्लास रखते हैं. ठीक है, कैसे पढ़ना है, करंट अफेयर्स कैसे प्रिपेयर करना है, इस पे एक क्लास करते हैं संडे को. ठीक है. प्रेशर इज सर, प्रेशर इज टेम्परेचर या हरजोत.
So you said that you will take one class on black holes and dark matter, as we are left with those topics.
ओके, ब्लैक होल्स एंड डार्क मैटर. ठीक है. हाँ, आई विल ट्राई. हाँ, वीरभद्र बताओ. It's a topic that many of you will not be very interested. Temperature is more than your question is very. I read your question and it's what can I say? You are not thinking straight. Think about your question. ठीक है. You're not thinking straight. Don't have a doubt as such. क्वेश्चन ही ठीक से नहीं फॉर्मुलेट कर पा रहे हो. What is salinity? First ask is how salinity of anything increases or decreases, and what is density of anything. I mean, sir, air pressure directly proportional to temperature. Air pressure is directly proportional to temperature. No. How air pressure can be directly proportional to? First, directly proportional का मतलब है 1:1 का proportionality. Temperature, what we have read, if the temperature at any place will increase, the air will start rising and it will lead to low pressure. So temperature we can say is inversely proportional or inversely related, proportional nahi, inversely related to pressure. If the temperature is high, you will get a low pressure. Vice versa, if temperature is low, you will get high pressure. So during winter, if at any place there is winter, you will get high pressure. If it is summer, you will get low pressure. Yes, Rakesh, till next Monday, if you can cover geography, then we will start. In which time sociology optional will be covered? Why will we cover sociology optional? I could not understand your question. Sociology optional, in sociology optional batch, we cover sociology. But do you want me to teach sociology in this NCERT batch? You got your answer, Toku? But these are basic doubts. You should not have such doubts. If you are still confused about these things, that means then the whole foundation is very shaky. You cannot understand cyclone, you cannot understand monsoon, you cannot understand a whole lot of phenomena. These are the very building blocks of geography. Not confuse things. हाँ राकेश जी, करिए पहले जियोग्राफी खत्म और फिर हिस्ट्री के बारे में बात करेंगे. एज आई सेड, ऑन कमिंग, नॉट कमिंग, नेक्स्ट सैटरडे एंड संडे. ठीक है. So those of who have watched geography classes, how do you rate my classes? 5 out of कैसा लग रहा है? नॉट जस्ट टू मेक मी हैप्पी, बट तुम लोगों ने और कहीं पढ़ा होगा, देखा होगा, पढ़ने का कोशिश किया होगा ऑन यूट्यूब और वेरियस अदर प्लेसेस. Was I able to make any difference? Top 5 out of 5. चलो ठीक है. तो थैंक यू एंड try to cover it, ask more questions, solve more questions. My attempt behind this NCERT course was that once you thoroughly cover these courses, you will not need any coaching as such. फिर तुम्हें 2 लाख रुपए तुम्हें नहीं खर्च करने पड़े. So if I'm able to do that, then I will think I had succeeded in my mission. There are many students in the groups who are already in coaching in Delhi, in different cities, and they are doing these classes and finding it useful. So do not think अरे ये तो बस 1500 का क्लास है तो क्या पढ़ेंगे, थोड़ा ज्यादा पैसा लगाएंगे फिर पढ़ेंगे. I hope you will appreciate the work that I have put behind these. चलो ठीक है. Thank you everyone. PDFs of what? Ref- Where should I find your videos regarding reference books? That is, reference books वाले courses ना वो थोड़े अलग हैं. So that if you can buy one course at a time or you can join. I think we talked about person mentorship program now. So those are part of the person mentorship program. I have covered Lakshmi Kant and Ramesh Singh there. We will be covering rest of the books in the coming days. So यहाँ पे and Ajinkya, I could not understand what PDFs you are asking for. I think all the ठीक है. Hello, bye everyone. Thank you. We'll meet again on संडे. कल मिलेंगे ठीक है, और कल करंट अफेयर्स पर डिस्कशन करेंगे. बाय. कल नहीं, संडे. आज तो फ्राइडे है ना, संडे को मिलेंगे. कल नहीं, संडे को मिलेंगे. वी विल हैव डिस्कशन अराउंड करंट अफेयर्स, हाउ टू कवर, व्हाट टू कवर.